Hey friends, today we're making a quick, healthy but tastier than takeout noodle dish and much more affordable. Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. The most important thing is we don't want to overcook the noodles or they become too soft, soggy, and fall apart. For this dish, I cook just about 3 to 3.5 minutes. After that, we rinse them with cold tap water for a couple times to remove excess starch and to stop them from cooking further. Alrighty friends, I hope you have a great meal ahead. Thanks again for being here today. I'll see you next time for another easy recipe. Bye bye.